Ladies and gentlemen, oh my lord, the blizzard continues. The blizzard continues. Oh my lord, this is the Blizzard 2K18 February. We got the mothership right here. She's not too bad though. I was out here earlier cleaning her up. So, that's what we got out here. "16 inches, 16 inches, that's what she said. That's what she said, y'all. We out here in the mothership. Gotta go to the store right quick. But the purpose out, I got some content for you. I can't seem to get it out there because the snow is very disrespectful. It's really getting on my nerves right now. So stay tuned. But we got the ghost lights are installed right now. LEDs is getting installed next week. LED tail lights, LED headlights, LED fog lights, all LEDs. We're getting that installed next week. I had to put that down there. But having Jones with me. We on our way out. Let's go. To my people in the Bird Lacrosse lovers, that Facebook group, we going crazy. We getting it popping in there. I love each and one of your guys. We all share the same passion. But let me know in the comment section below. What's the weather like in your area? Is it snowy? Is it misty? Is it rainy? Or is it you got beautiful weather? Let me know get in the comment section right now. Let me know what's going on with your town, with your city, with your state. Who ever thought in February that we would get snow? 16 inches in February? Although historically in Chicago, February is the coldest month of the year. However, you got one more month to spring. What are y'all guys' plans for spring? What are we doing? Let me know in the comment section below. We're Bird Lacrosse lovers.